Guys, gusto nyo? Hindi ganun katamis. And medyo pulpy dahil yung cucumber isang buo. Yung lemon, tamang kurot lang ng asim. And yung tamis is saktong-sakto lang. Alright? So, ganito po natin ginawa yung ating Tocoma Shake. Alright? So, ang kailangan lang natin is yung ating 1 sachet ng Tocoma. We have our lemon, fresh lemon, cucumber, ice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and isang Yakult. Alright? So, we'll put in the Yakult. Alright. And now, lagyan natin yung ating cucumber. So, pwedeng wag yung nabalatan, pero kasi masyadong madami yung balat, bawasan lang natin. Now our lemon. Sasalain na natin ito. Add lang tayong additional water. Alright. Now, sama na natin yung ating sugar. And then, yung ating 1 sachet of Tocoma. Alright? Tocoma, 1 sachet. Lagyan natin lang siya sa shake. And then, durugin muna natin. Okay, now let's add the ice. Yan. And then, let's blend it. Wala ka nang naririnig na bumabangga-banggang ice, ibig sabihin, lahat durog na. So, yun ang ano natin, indicator natin na fully crush na lahat ng ice natin. Sarap. Sobrang refreshing.